Rinse the chicken and then dry it thoroughly with a kitchen towel. Cut the chicken into bite-sized pieces. Season with 2 pinches of salt and 2 pinches of pepper. Next, take the small rice paper and cut it in half. Soak the rice papers in cold water for a second. Place a piece of chicken on the softened rice paper and roll it up. Fold the sides at the end to secure the rolls. To save time, you can prepare several rolls at once. To cook the rolls, heat a pan and add about 2 tablespoons of oil. Place the chicken rolls in the pan, ensuring they do not touch each other. Cook them over medium heat for about 4 to 5 minutes until they are golden brown. After 4 to 5 minutes, flip the rolls over using a splatter screen to avoid oil splashes. Be cautious not to use too much oil as it can cause splashing. Fry the chicken gently as it's grilling. Let me cut it. The outside is crispy and the inside is juicy. It looks delicious as it is. Once both sides are golden brown, transfer the rolls to a plate. For the dipping sauce, put 1 tablespoon of soy sauce, 3 tablespoons of honey or corn syrup, half a tablespoon of gochujang, Korean red pepper paste, 2 tablespoons of ketchup, 1 teaspoon of minced garlic, 2 tablespoons of water, and a bit of pepper. Mix well. Pour the sauce mixture into a pan and simmer for 1 to 2 minutes until it bubbles. Serve the sauce in a dish for dipping, or mix the cooked chicken rolls in the sauce for a delicious seasoned chicken. If you prefer not to make the sauce, sweet chili sauce also works well as a dip. Crispy and chewy chicken rice paper is done. I will see you next time. 감사합니다. 안녕히 계세요. Bye bye.